Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. We do first derivative for the both sides. We have the s over 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we put number 2 go to the left. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. The integration of this one, we will have about ln of the absolute value of secant of u plus tan u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.